Okay, I just got this box from AppSumo. It's Switchy, the link management tool everyone's talking about. Let's unbox it and see what all the hype is about. First impression, super clean branding on the packaging. Switchy is designed for marketers, businesses, and advertisers. The promise? Boost conversions with smarter retargeting links. Inside, there's a quick start guide and Switchy's dashboard access. I'm logging in now. Interface looks intuitive and modern. Let's try creating my first custom link together. Paste your URL, add a custom domain, and personalize it. Wow, you can add retargeting pixels right here. That means you can track everyone who clicks your link. There's also UTM tracking for detailed analytics. I love that you can customize the link preview image. This is perfect for sharing on social media campaigns. Let's test the link. Click and boom, tracked instantly. Switchy's dashboard shows real-time clicks and engagement data. You can see where your audience is coming from. Advanced analytics help you optimize every campaign. Retargeting is so easy. Just paste your Facebook pixel. Now, everyone who clicks gets added to your ad audience. This is a game changer for remarketing strategies. You can even set up multiple pixels per link. Perfect if you're running ads on several platforms. Switchy also lets you A/B test different links, so you can see which message converts best. I'm impressed by how much control you get. No more generic, ugly links in my campaigns. Everything is branded, customized, and tracked. Switchy makes link management actually fun and effective. Honestly, it's saving me hours every week. If you're a marketer or business owner, this is essential. Advertisers will love the deep retargeting features. The analytics are detailed but easy to understand. I haven't found any major downsides so far, maybe just a slight learning curve for total beginners. But the tutorials make onboarding pretty smooth, and the value on AppSumo is honestly unbeatable. You get lifetime access for a one-time price. If you want to boost conversions and engagement, try Switchy. I definitely recommend grabbing this AppSumo deal today. Check out the link below and level up your marketing.